Hello everyone. In today's movie we're going to take some parametric data, one sample of data, and we're going to conduct a one sample t-test on that particular data using SPSS. We're going to use the standard hypothesis testing procedure, but remember we've also got this confidence and interval method as well. If I just go to the previous movie on this, then we went through the use of Excel to undertake a hypothesis test and then a confidence interval check based upon this sample data. And remember, we were testing whether or not the population mean mu is 2,300, and that's the null hypothesis, against the alternative hypothesis that the population mean is not equal to 2,300. So we had a two-tailed test. We were told the population distribution is normal. We were told the population standard deviation sigma is not known, so we have to perform a one sample t-test for the means. Okay, so that's the data. So let's go to SPSS, and I have the data already set up for you. Okay, so there's the data set up. It's exactly the same data as for the Excel example. So we click on Analyze, we click on Compare Means, and we want a one sample t-test. There we are. So we click on one sample t-test. It brings up the one sample t-test menu. Drag the variable across to test variables box. Now if you click on options, and then you can tell it what the confidence interval is. Well, we're going to stay at 95%. So click continue. Now the actual test value, remember, was 2,300. And then click OK. After a few seconds in the output file, remember SPSS splits data from output. So in the output file, there's our results. So if I just do a screenshot and then drag that over to the Excel solution, and we'll just be able to see that we get exactly the same solutions. So if I just drop that into there for now, okay, and pull that across a little bit. Okay, so we can see there, look, T is minus the test statistic T is minus 0.26, which is exactly the same as what we got there. The degrees of freedom are 12, which is exactly what we got there. The two-tailed significance level, which is our two-tailed p-value, is 0.799. Well, that's exactly the same as that to 3 decimal places. And then you got your lower and upper critical values. So if I just drag that across, okay, and then come over here, drag that back down, so you'll see there that your lower value was 238 and your upper value was 187. Those should say lower t value, upper t value, not lower z value and upper z value. Okay, so you can see there the numbers all agree. Okay, so in this particular case, using SPSS, you can see that the two-tailed p-value is 0.799, which is bigger than the significance level of 0.05. So we would have to accept, based upon the evidence, based upon the sample data, that the evidence suggests the population mean is still 2,300 pounds. Okay, so that's the end of today's video. Bye.